TaskRabbit. There are 10 profitable ways to generate money on TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a fantastic platform connecting people with skilled individuals for various tasks. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or turn it into a full-time venture, these strategies can help you maximize your earnings. 1. General handyman services. Offer services like furniture assembly, minor repairs, or painting. Many people need help with tasks around the house, and your handy skills can turn into a steady income source on TaskRabbit. 2. Cleaning and organizing. Provide cleaning services for homes or offices. Additionally, offer organizational services, helping clients declutter and optimize their spaces. A clean and organized environment is always in demand. 3. Delivery and moving assistance. Help people with their deliveries or assist in moving homes. If you have a vehicle, you can offer delivery services, and if you're physically fit, moving assistance can be a lucrative gig. 4. Personal shopping and errands. Offer personal shopping services for busy individuals. Run errands, pick up groceries, or handle tasks like mailing packages. Your time-saving services can be highly valuable. 5. Virtual assistants and administrative tasks. Provide virtual assistant services such as email management, scheduling, or data entry. Many entrepreneurs and businesses are looking for reliable virtual assistants to handle their administrative workload. 6. Event planning and decorating. Use your creativity to plan events or decorate spaces for parties and special occasions. From birthdays to weddings, your event planning skills can turn celebrations into unforgettable experiences. 7. Tech support and IT services. If you have technical expertise, offer tech support services. Help individuals with computer issues, software installations, or troubleshooting. IT services are in constant demand in today's digital age. 8. Language tutoring and lessons. If you're fluent in multiple languages or have expertise in a specific subject, offer tutoring services. Teach languages, music, or academic subjects. Many people are willing to pay for personalized learning experiences. 9. Pet sitting and dog walking. Provide pet sitting services for people traveling or at work. Additionally, offer dog walking services for pet owners with busy schedules. Pet-related services are always in demand, especially in urban areas. 10. Specialized skills and hobbies. Offer services based on your unique skills or hobbies. Whether it's photography, gardening, art lessons, or fitness training, there's a market for specialized skills. TaskRabbit allows you to monetize your passion. The gig economy provides endless opportunities to turn your skills and time into income. Remote research. Identifying 10 effective methods to leverage your love of digging deep into a successful business. With the rise of online information and the demand for reliable data, there are numerous opportunities to monetize your research skills. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or just starting out, these strategies can help you transform your love for learning into a thriving business. 1. Market research and analysis. Companies are always looking for insights into market trends and consumer behavior. Conduct market research studies, analyze data, and provide actionable recommendations to businesses. Market research can be a highly lucrative field in the remote working landscape. 2. Academic research assistance. Assist students and researchers with their academic projects. Offer services like literature reviews, data analysis, or thesis editing. Your expertise can help others excel in their studies while earning you a steady income. 3. Content research for writers. Writers often need in-depth research for their articles, books, or scripts. Provide comprehensive research services, gathering reliable sources and organizing information. Your research skills can contribute to high-quality content creation. 4. Patent and intellectual property research. Help inventors and companies research patents and intellectual property. Identify existing patents, assess their viability, and provide valuable insights. Patent research requires attention to detail and can be a lucrative niche. 5. Competitive analysis for businesses. Businesses need to understand their competition. Offer competitive analysis services, comparing products, pricing, and marketing strategies. Your insights can guide businesses in making informed decisions, making your services invaluable. 6. Legal research for law firms. Assist lawyers and legal professionals with legal research tasks. Help in preparing cases, finding precedents, and gathering relevant laws and regulations. Legal research is a specialized field, and your expertise can be highly sought after. 7. Health and medical research. Research health topics, medical treatments, or pharmaceuticals for healthcare organizations or individuals. Stay updated with the latest studies and provide accurate information. Your research can contribute to health-related publications or medical blogs. 8. Investment and financial research. Investors and financial institutions need reliable data for decision-making. Provide investment research services, analyze stocks, or assess market trends. Your financial expertise can help clients make sound investment choices. 9. Social and cultural research. Research social or cultural phenomena for documentaries, academic studies, or media projects. Explore topics like cultural traditions, social behaviors, or historical events. Your research can contribute to enriching cultural understanding. 10. Custom research reports. Offer customized research reports tailored to the specific needs of clients. Whether it's industry trends, demographic data, or technological innovations, provide well-organized, insightful reports. Custom research services cater to a wide range of clients and industries. The digital age has opened up endless possibilities for researchers to thrive in various fields. Pet sitting, revealing 10 effective methods to make your love of animals into a lucrative company. Pet sitting isn't just about cuddling cute creatures. It's a booming industry with various opportunities to make a living while doing something you adore. Whether you're a seasoned pet lover or just starting out, these strategies can help you transform your passion for pets into a thriving business. On in-home pet sitting, offer in-home pet sitting services where you stay at the client's house to care for their pets. This personalized service provides peace of mind for pet owners and allows the pets to stay in their familiar environment, making it a highly sought-after option. 2. Dog walking services. Provide regular dog walking services for pet owners with busy schedules. Daily exercise is crucial for a dog's health and well-being. By offering reliable dog walking services, you're not only helping the pets, but also giving their owners a convenient solution. 3. Pet boarding at home. If you have a pet-friendly home, consider offering pet boarding services. Pet owners can drop off their pets at your place, ensuring they receive personalized attention and care while their owners are away. 4. Cat sitting and small animal care. Some pets, like cats and small animals, prefer to stay in their own homes. Offer cat sitting and small animal care services, including feeding, cleaning, and playtime. This niche is ideal for those who specialize in caring for feline friends and other small pets. 5. Pet transportation services. Provide pet transportation services to pet owners who need help getting their pets to the vet, groomer, or other appointments. Having a reliable and comfortable pet transport service is invaluable for pet parents. Pet photography and portraits. Combine your love for animals and photography skills by offering pet photography sessions. Capture precious moments with pets and create beautiful portraits that pet owners will cherish. Pet photography can be a lucrative niche in the pet industry. And pet grooming and spa services. If you're skilled in pet grooming, offer mobile grooming services where you go to clients' homes to groom their pets. Additionally, consider offering spa services like massages and facials for pets, providing a luxurious experience for furry clients. 8. Pet training and behavioral consultation. If you have experience in pet training, offer training sessions and behavioral consultations. Help pet owners address behavioral issues and train their pets in obedience and tricks. Well-trained pets are happier, making their owners grateful for your services. 9. Pet supply and treat sales. Start an online store or partner with pet suppliers to sell pet supplies, accessories, and treats. Many pet owners appreciate the convenience of having these items delivered to their doorsteps. Offering quality products can lead to a loyal customer base. 10. Pet sitting membership programs. Create membership programs where pet owners pay a monthly or annual fee for a set number of pet sitting services. Membership programs provide stability and ensure regular income, making it a win-win for both you and your clients. Remember, pet sitting isn't just a job, it's a rewarding experience that allows you to form meaningful connections with both pets and their owners.